Hindi kita makita. Ikaw na lang i-add ko.
Giving positive attitude. I want to join army because I want to defend base. I want to earn like money like that. I want to experience rank ups like that. I want to serve like that. Using sir and ma'am. 24 hours.
Ayan na, okay na. Okay na. Accept mo ako.
AFK for me is like you're gonna leave the keyboard like set your cell phone. You leave your like you're gonna leave your cell phone like when you're online playing the game like yeah. No, I'm gonna use my body cam and taser if anything.
my god.
Yeah. No sir, no.
Pre, ipapasa ko sa iba sa mga gen. Kaya nga nila kasi na-interview. So, alamin mo yung meaning ng respect.
No.
Sige.
Parang,
Balik ako, balik ako.
oo, alamin mo yung respect. Tapos,
Yes.
yung AFK, ibig sabihin away from keyboard. Yun. Tapos, madali na lahat.
Sige. Balik ako.